What's up, everybody? This is Spartan Grown, and this video is going to show you how to use the custom screen, which is the screen that we're on the Grandmaster LED controller, and how you can run presets. See here how it's grayed out right now, the preset screen, so we can go in there. I've been doing a little bit of work already. When you first push this, you're only going to see one line, the very file one, and you have to have at least one in there. It won't let you. You can delete these all with the buttons here, but you have to always have at least one. It won't let you delete the final one, but you can modify it. So for file one, if you hit the modify button, which is right next to the delete button there, you can set your slider bars to whatever you want to mix your spectrum. What this is doing is we're setting different spectrums as a preset that we can then use to just come in here and then hit these buttons here to enable that spectrum. Now I'm going to enable that spectrum, or I want to enable that spectrum. All right, I got all these spectrums from the manual, and what I did, this is the Tarantula Voyager manual, so it's only got the two channels. So if I wanted to do spectrum 1, which I matched it here, you don't have to do this. You can set the values whatever you want. If you do some experimentation and want a certain secret spectrum, you can do that. You can set it in here, and it'll be one of them for you to choose. So file 1, you see it's got actually 1 through 5. The first channel is at 100%, and the only thing that changes is the second channel. 3 and 4 is shut off because we're doing a Voyager. We only do 2 channels on this example. But if you were going to do a 4 channel, you could put those values in 3 and 4 as well and get those for you. But if you see here on 5, it was 100% and 52% is what I have my 2 channels set to. And I'm just going off of the controller. I went to 5, and the 2 that they say to set it to here is 100 and 52, just like I have it in the screen. Same thing, each spectrum, you'll get those values and you just transfer them in, and you'll be able to use those spectrums. So for example, if I wanted to run spectrum 5 now, I just click there to hit the spectrum 5 on. I say OK, and then you make sure you go into your timer set, and that your timer is set, right? I have an on and off for 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and turned on enabled. And that's how you run the preset spectrums, man. It's not super difficult. You just got to do a lot of work to plug them into here. But if you're only going to use 2, 3, 4 spectrums, maybe you're just going to use 2 spectrums. Maybe you have a favorite veg spectrum and a favorite flower spectrum. You could put them both in there, and when you're ready to flip, you could just toggle the one on that you want, and you're good to go. Now to add a spectrum, so you have a bunch that you can add. All you do is hit the plus button over here, see, and then you slide it to whatever you want. So I'm going to take the 2 channels off, and this is for file number 6. Which you could also change the name of that if you wanted to call it flower or early flower or late flower or whatever you can imagine. You can call it whatever you want to. But I'm going to leave it file 6 so that I could just match it up with here, number 6. And my values here is 172 for the 2 channels. So it's already at 100 up there. Bump that down to 72. It's 60 already. 67, 69, 72. And then I hit this button up here to save, and now I have a number 6 file that matches the manual. 100% on your warm white channel, 72% on your cool white channel. And that's how you have it. Now if I wanted to enable that spectrum, I'd click the on button, I'd say OK, and there you go. So if you're running the preset, if this is lit up, you're running the preset, that's how you do it. Make sure your timer is set on and off, fairly self-explanatory. But if you want to run the customized screen, you can still run the customized screen, and that you just set your spectrum within the timer. So you set your time and your spectrum all at the same time on this setting. Also enable or disable if you wanted to there. So either way you want to do it, you can do it with a Tarantula Voyager. This is set up for Voyager right now. Otherwise I'd have all 4 here for the board. And that's just changing the system settings if you want to change that. They toggle on and off here. All right, I hope I went over everything and this helps you guys. Have a good day and keep on growing.